So hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss to write a logic of the reverse number. So prior that let's understand what is reverse number, then we will proceed to write the code. Okay, so for example here we have taken 123 as a number that we want to reverse the number. So we know that its reverse will be 3 2 1. Okay, so if we use the mathematical format, so first of all we will take this digit. This is a unit digit. So basically for this digit what we do, we will basically modulus by 10. For example, if we remove it and we write it just 123 modulus 10, so as a reminder it will give the 3 digit 3. And then what we do, we will basically take one variable. For example, it's a reverse, and what we do here, it will take from 0 and we have taken from it 0. And here what we do, we will just basically take this reverse, multiply 10 because we have first modulus, so here we have to multiply by 3, then plus add 3. This is the remainder. Okay, then it will give the 3. And after that what we have to do, we will basically n equal to 123 divided by 10. We have to divide it because we have to change the value of it, so n will become 12. Okay, have you understood? If you don't, so let's again understand. So basically first what we do, we will basically find the remainder by using modulus 10. So it will give the 3, and then after we will take one variable that is a reverse, that will be equal to 0. So then we perform operation reverse equal reverse into 10 plus remainder, this remainder. Then what we have to do, we have to change this n for remaining digits. So 123 divided by 10, so it will n equal 12. Okay, then in second operation again we will perform same operation. So for what we do, we will basically n equal 12, we modulus 10, so it will again give the modulus remainder 2. Okay, and then what we do, reverse equal 3. We know that here reverse equal 3, so reverse into 10. Here what we have done, okay, 10 plus remainder is 2, so 2 equal 3 times 30, 30 plus 2 32. Okay, and then again we have to divide the n equal and divide by 10, so it will give only 1. Okay, it is because 12 divided by 10, 12 divided by 10 equal 1. Okay, then after in the third stage what we do, we basically, no sorry, here we will take it, yeah, okay, and for the digit 1, we have done this step, and then what we do, we will basically, our n has changed, n equal 1, so 1 modulus 10 equal 1. So reverse will be reverse, here what we got 32, so reverse means 32 plus multiply 10 plus the remainder, that is 1. Okay, so it will be 32 plus 10 33, 320 plus 1 321. Okay, so and will be and here what we do, n, then n equal n divided by 10. So here what we do, here it will give 0. Okay, so then what we do, we will basically find n equal 0, less than 0. So then what we have to do, we have to just print this reverse that we want. So yeah, here reverse. Okay, let's understand, delete this, and let's understand why this. So step 1, at the remainder we get 3, reverse equal 0. As I told, reverse we will take 0, then 10 plus 3 equal 3, and equal remains 12 because we will divide it by 10. Then in step 2, digit equal to reverse 3 multiply 10 plus 2 32 and equal 1, and digit remains 1 because n equal n by 10. reverse equal 32 plus 10 plus 1, yeah, result 31, 322. And we can perform some operation for another value as well. We will follow this formula. Okay, so let's understand by write a code. Okay, so for first of all we will take one number. So yeah, so yeah, let's write the code for the reverse number. So here we will take a number. So basically for that we will take by a user input. Okay, so new scanner and system dot in. So first of all imports java.util.scanner, and why it is giving error? It is because we have to pass it. Okay, first of all we will create the scanner class. Scanner sc barabar new scanner, then system dot in. System is a class, inside it in. Then int number. So sc dot next. Here is different type of method, but we want the integer type of input. So what we do, we will just print it in take in, and before that we give a message in a compiler that what we want to take. Okay, enter a number. Okay, so here it will take one number, and here we will perform int reverse number equal. So here we will write a code for, we create a method that will take this number and it will give the reverse number. Okay, so just what we do, we will just create this number and its return type will be int because we are storing it. Okay, so what we do, we will just basically int reverse number and int number, and here what we do, here we basically print first of all what we do, we will take one int. Okay, int reverse equal 0, and while this above number is greater than 0. Okay, and here what we do, we will just perform operation reverse equal reverse multiply 10 plus, here we will take one int remainder equal number modulus 10. Okay, and then here we will add that remainder, and then after we will do number divide by 10. Okay, so then after what we will do, we will return this reverse number. What we have learned, I have just followed it. So why it is giving error? Non-static method. Okay, so it's a non-static method. First of all create it static. We will understand what is static and non-static in our upcoming videos. Okay, so let's print it here. So let's print it here. Control V, Control S, Shift F6. Okay, so for example here we have taken input 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here it will give the reverse. Control S, Shift F6. Again we have taken 1 2 3. It has given 3 to 1. Okay, so in previous I have taught you, in previous video we have discussed about this example for n step 1 digit 3. First we have taken this, and let's understand it. Okay, so first of all we have taken here reminder. Okay, so let's remove all the space so we can easily understand all the code. Okay, so here an equal 123 that we have taken this in this example, an equal 1 2 3. Okay, and after what we have done, we have taken this digit unit digit by modulus it and modulus 10, so it will give the 3, that digit. Okay, this digit 3, and then before that we have taken one reverse number, this reverse number, and what we have done, reverse equal 0 we have taken, and this reverse number here we have used it. So here we can see that this reverse number we have used here. So for example what we do, we reverse equal reverse into 10 plus. Here what we have to use this digit or that called remainder. So here what we use remainder. So we can also give it as a remainder. Okay, so remainder, and here we have performed same operation. And then after what we have done, I have told that we have done that n equal n divided by 10. So it means 123 divided by 10 equal 12. So here we have n equal 12 remains. So here we have performed same operation, n equal 10. Okay, and we have given this situation while a number is greater than 0. Here we got n equal 0. So here we have stopped, as I told that, because here we found the reverse number. So here as I n equal 0, it is not greater than 0, so it will out of the while loop, and we will return, and it will, this reverse will hold this 321. This is the approach. And in further approach, let's discuss about the second approach. So this is basically the best approach for the reverse number code. This is the best approach. If I talk about some non best approach, that the brute force approach. So here what we do, here we will take one string, for example int number, we have taken it in our input, and here we have converted this string equal string start plus number. So we have converted this number as a string, and then what we have done, we have printed this string str dot length -1, and I is greater than 0, I minus 1, and then what we have done here, we will basically take a string reverse equal start only. We have to initialize the string in the Java language. Then what we do, we will just print str dot caret, and here we will done I, and here we have written this reverse dot. First of all, here is one method that converts the integer into a string into a integer %. So here we will get the reverse. Okay, here we will do integer. Okay, so here what we have done, we have done basically n equal 123. So first of all, we have converted it into a string str equal 1 2 3, and as we know that the index format in an array, so similar with the str. So here how it works, here it works that 1 is in a 0 index position, 2 is in a 1 index position, 3 is in the 2 index position. So for printing it, what we have done, we have just basically print string length is 3, because here is 3 digits. Okay, so string length is 3, and what we have done, 3 minus 1 2. So 2 digit index first we have taken inside the reverse. So what will done, so here what has happened inside this code, that first of all reverse equal this, and then in first operation reverse will become 3 3, yeah, it is because str dot caret. In the second index we can see that here is 2. Okay, so first it will take reverse equal 3, and then minus minus, so then I will become 1. So here I equal 1, and in the 1 index str is 2, so it will take 2, and reverse will become 2 3 2, and in third operation I minus I equal 0, and in there 1, so it's a chance 1. So we have convert this string reverse string in a integer, so it will give the reverse. Okay, so just copy this, and int reverse equal, take here number. So before that, what we do, we will basically convert this number. So here what we can do, int num equal number in this code, and control C, change all this number. Okay, control V, control V, control V. Okay, and then control S, otherwise this number will change. So shift F6, enter number. For example, we have the 2 3 4 5, it has printed, but we have not printed this reverse number. So for printing it, for a reverse, shift F6, Okay, 7 6 8 9. Here you can see that both are equal. Okay, so these are the two operations for a reverse number, and let's discuss one third example that is also for the reverse number, but it's a two pointer technique, so we will discuss this topic in a two pointer technique. Okay, I think it's enough for this video. Okay, thank you.